Today we're in the Condado neighborhood of San Juan. Condado is known for its sandy and lively beaches where you can swim, play volleyball or beach tennis, and on your walk home you can stop off at the streetside flower markets. Condado is known for lots of shops and restaurants and a great lifestyle, which brings us to our 55 Taft Towers new listing. Welcome to 55 Taft Towers. This is the one of two sub-penthouses here. There's 2 units on this floor. All the units below, I believe, have 4 units per floor. We're entering into the living room / dining room. You can see it's all concrete walls and ceiling and tiled floor. It's about 300 square feet in this living dining room area. The current owners basically remodeled the whole place when they bought it a few years back. They've got a growing family and now need to move on. So you can see the tile on the floor. It runs throughout the property. One of the really nice features of this sub-penthouse is this balcony. This is facing west over Condado. You can see some of the King Court towers there. Really nice space, brings the outdoors, the indoors. They've got some parcha plants here and some other greenery, providing a little shade. Keeps the air flowing. There's the air conditioning compressor out here on the balcony. Living room and each of the bedrooms has a air conditioner for when it's needed. There's a little sitting dining area, which is actually nice being right next to the balcony. Those curtains actually open up all the way through. It is glass sliding doors throughout. Here's the living room. Again, 300 square feet, plenty of room for a bookcase, piano, sofa, TV. Feel free to design the space as you wish. The kitchen actually is big as well. It's about 150 square feet. There's the tile. Great counter space. That window's facing south. All the south-facing windows have storm shutters and were recently replaced. Nice size refrigerator. Again, a lot of kitchen counter space, cabinets down below, double sink. And there's a range, and you can actually have a washer and dryer here as well. There is communal laundry on the second floor, but it's just nice having it in the unit as well. And there's even a pantry for food items. But of course, being Condado, probably half your time you're going to be spent dining out or takeout or something like that. It really is city living in the middle of San Juan. So we go back out to the living room. Around the corner here, it's a little hallway. There's a linen closet right in front of us there. And then the bathroom. You can see the same. This tile runs throughout the unit. A lot of continuity. There you can see the levitating vanity, the mirror, the toilet, another south-facing window. You can see the view there. That's out looking over Condado and Santurce. And there's a nice modern shower, glass wall between the shower and the rest of the bathroom. Again, everything was remodeled when they bought this. They basically stripped the condo and just redid everything. So nice modern shower there. Going back out in the hallway, we're going to see the first bedroom. As I mentioned, it's a growing family. This is where one of the kids is staying. It's a good-sized bedroom. Could also be an office. Again, there's the windows. There's air conditioning. The windows have the roll-down storm windows facing south, and you can see the nice sized closet there as well. So this is the secondary of 2 bedrooms. And now we'll go into the primary bedroom, which is also pretty big. It's about 250 square feet. King size bed in there right now, also set up with a desk and extra dresser and huge amount of closet space. See the 3 sliding doors there. Air conditioner, ceiling fan, and what I really like about this bedroom is, look at that, just a whole wall of windows. All looks out to the east, so you're looking out over Ocean Park and Condado and all the way to El Yunque. See the clouds sitting there over El Yunque. There's the desk, there's the dresser. The unit also comes with a deeded parking space, which is actually covered, and you're also allowed to have another parking space, which is kind of a first come, first serve. So if this interests you, please contact us. You can find out more info on this listing at ParaisoRealtyPR.com. I'm Bob. Thanks for taking a tour, and I'll be glad to answer any questions.